Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys my quarantine skin routine. Let's get to it. First, you have to hype yourself up in the morning. Then I wash my face with the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. By the way guys, I have oily combination skin and I love this cleanser. I just started using it about a month ago and I definitely see a difference. I don't wake up in the morning looking like a grease ball. And I massage my face with it for about 30 seconds and wash it off. Okay, and now I'm just pat drying my face for the next step. Okay, and I'm using the Dickinson Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. And I use a cotton ball and just dab a little bit on the cotton ball. And this just takes all the extra oils and makeup off your face. And your neck. Don't forget your neck. Look at that. Next step is my favorite step, my facial steamer. It's a facial steamer / hair steamer. I'll try and link the description below. And I'm just filling it up with bottled water. And turn it on. And guys, I almost forgot that I usually put a couple drops of tea tree oil in my steamer. I know there's benefits for your skin for tea tree oil. I don't really know, I just like the smell of it. So I put 2 or 3 drops in there. And now we're waiting. And now it's boiling, it's steaming. You can't really see it on camera, but you'll guys see it in the next shoot. And now you guys can see the steam a little bit since I'm using it. And I'm usually under the steamer for about 7 to 10 minutes just to open my pores and such. And guys, comment down below what kind of essential oils do you use in your facial steamer. Okay guys, after facial steaming, I use my face mask. Today we're going to be using the Pore charcoal face mask for oily skin. And I have my facial brush. I got my facial brush for about $3 on Amazon. And my face mask was about $6 at Target. I just recently started using the facial brush and I like it better than using my hands, especially when I have nails on. It's just like easier and yeah. I have this on my skin for about 5 minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, the 5 minutes is over, so right now I'm just washing my face and then I'm gonna pat dry with my facial washcloth. And the last step is moisturizer. I'm using the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer, guys. If you have oily skin, definitely a must-have. It's a bit on the pricey side, but it's definitely worth it. And I moisturize my lips with the petroleum jelly. I'm pretty sure I got it from the Dollar Tree. And that's it. Ta-da, you're a bad bitch now. Okay guys, that was my quarantine skincare routine. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video, and please comment below what you guys do during this quarantine for your skin. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys